Welcome to reclining yoga. Today I have chest opening yoga, so let's begin. Come into sitting position. Bring your palms and elbow together. Lift your elbow up and open through your upper back. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Relax your shoulder. And release your hand. Come onto hands on your knee, cat and cow. Inhale, arch your back. And exhale, round your belly. Inhale, arch your back, look at the sky. And exhale, round your back, moving at your own pace. Slowly come to stillness and drag your arm through and gently lift your shoulder down. Feel the stretch across your upper back. Inhale and exhale. Slowly switch side. Slowly wake up. Come into downward facing dog. Tuck your toes and lengthen spine. Inhale and exhale. Stretch your back. Look forward. Bring your right foot forward and bring your left arm underneath and align your right arm, eagle arms. Inhale, arch your back. Exhale, bow down. One more, inhale, arch your back. And exhale, bow down. Moving at your own pace. Come into warrior two, open your arms. Relax your shoulder. Gaze straight. Turn your right palm up your right arm. Stretch your side body. Open your chest. Inhale and exhale. Trikonasana. Look at the sky. Open your chest. Relax your shoulder. Hand to the mat and switch side. Eagle arms. Inhale, arch your back. Exhale, bow down. Moving at your own pace. Release your arms and warrior two. Open your arms and relax your shoulder. Inhale and exhale. Turn your left palm up your left arm. Stretch your side body. Open your chest. Exhale, triangle pose. Look at the sky. Open your chest. Inhale and exhale. Step your feet width apart and turn your toe out slightly. Come into goddess pose. Inhale, arms up, palms touch. Exhale, hand to the heart center and bend knee. Relax your shoulder. Slowly extend your legs and interlace your finger. Keep your toe pointing forward and open your chest. Exhale, bow down. Relax your shoulder. Open your chest. Squeeze the shoulder blade together. Inhale, roll up, release your hands. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, hand to the heart center. Thank you yourself for showing up today. See you.